배고파요 뭐를 먹지 라면 먹자. 안녕 우리 친구들, 오늘 다시 만나 반갑습니다. Do you know what today is? It's 라면 데이! 네, 우리 친구들, 오늘은 라면 날이에요. 라면 날, 라면 날, 라면 날, 라면 날! I'm going to do a deep dive into Korean ramyeon. We will learn how to buy Korean ramyeon. We will learn how to cook Korean ramyeon. We will learn how to eat Korean ramyeon. And of course, we will learn how to love Korean ramyeon. 네, 우리 친구들. 라면 먹자, 라면 먹자, 라면 먹자, 라면 먹자. Together, you and I will destroy and slay our hunger demons with one of Korea's most loved and treasured foods, ramyeon. Korean ramyeon was first inspired by Japanese instant noodles, but it quickly became its own unique thing with spicy, flavorful broths, additions like egg, vegetables, and cheese, and it has really become one of the most loved foods by Koreans all over the world, and of course by anyone who loves delicious foods. It's quick to make, it's easy to make, and it is very affordable. So it's a quick meal when you're a little hungry. Oh, 출출해. 출출해 means I'm a little peckish. Or when you're 너무 배고파, when you're so hungry. It can satisfy all appetites. So I hope that you are excited to make Korean ramyeon with me today. 우리 같이 할까요? Let's go! 가자! Because ramyeon has become so popular, there are so many different kinds of ramyeon out there. And I would like to challenge you for a ramyeon scavenger hunt. Next time you go to the grocery store with your grown-up, keep your eyes open and look for some Korean ramyeon. You can look for ramyeon that has meat on it, perhaps. This is the kind that I will be cooking today. It's a little bit spicy, it's very flavorful, and it is perfect. 오늘은 우리 농심 신라면을 만들 겁니다. 네, 농심 라면은 이 신라면은 조금 맵고 a little spicy. 근데 너무나 맛있어요. And there's ramen like this, 불닭. That's another Korean ramyeon. This is very, very spicy. So for our 우리 friends out there who like a little fire in their mouths, this is one I would recommend that you try. And of course there's 컵라면. Do you recognize 컵라면?
Time for our pregame ramen! Happy fans, happy honeymoon!
컵라면 can come in something like this or like this, but it's very popular and it's very, very easy to make. First things first, we are gonna start off with a pot. 이거는 특별한 라면 냄비입니다. This is a special 라면 냄비. That means it's a ramen pot. It's traditional, and this is what people often cook ramyeon in. And that's what I'm gonna be cooking my ramyeon in today. And then you will also need some water. 물이 필요합니다. 네, 물은 집에 있죠. I hope you have some water at home. And then of course, we need our ramen package. You'll need one ramen package, and I'll show you what's inside of this shortly. My lovely addition to ramyeon is an egg. 계란. 오늘은 우리 라면에 계란을 집어넣을 겁니다. I love an egg in my ramen. It adds an extra layer of texture, and of course it's really good protein because eggs are really, really good for you. You can't have ramen without kimchi. 라면이랑 김치는 besties. They are besties for life. I really honestly think ramen was invented so that people can eat more kimchi. 오늘은 배추 김치를 먹을 겁니다. 배추 김치. 네. You can add all kinds of things to your ramen. Cheese, vegetables, ham, or other meats. It's really whatever kind of ramen experience you would like to have. Now, when I was a little Mira, about your age, do you know how I ate ramen? I would open it up. I would grab the ramen. Look at these noodles. They're already fun and delicious looking. And then I would take the soup package that looks like this, and I would open it up. I would put the soup base on my ramen. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. 조금만 먹을 수 있어요. So when I was young and I couldn't use the fire or the stove, this would be my snack. After my hunting school, I would come home and I would eat ramen like this, straight out of the bag. But now that I'm a little older, I think we can graduate to cooking the ramen. So would you like to cook it with me? Should we learn together? Before we get cooking though, Woori friends, always remember that when you're using fire or a stove, you're cooking a meal, you should always have a grown-up with you. They are going to help you stay safe, and they're going to make sure that the food turns out delicious. 네, 우리 친구들, 우리 요리할 때는 불 쓰고 가스 스토브 쓸 때는 꼭 어른이 있어야 됩니다. So grab your grown-up and let's make ramen. Grab your pot, put it on your stove, and we are going to add some water. 우리 물을 집어넣읍시다. And for 1 packet of ramen, you will need 2 cups and 1/3 of water. 네, 물을 같이 부을까요? 하나, 둘, 3분의 1, 1/3 cup. And that goes into our pot. Ooh. Now that the water is in, we will, with the help of a grown-up, turn on our stove and close the lid. 뚜껑을 닫고 이제 물이 보글보글 할 때까지 기다려요. We are going to patiently wait as our water boils. 들려요? Do you hear that? That means, oh, the water is boiling. 물이 보글보글 끓이고 있습니다. 네, 이제 우리 라면을 집어넣읍시다. Now that the water is boiling, we can add our noodles into the pot. 오! 우리 젓가락으로 꼭꼭 누르고 make sure the noodles are fully submerged in the water. And now we will add our ramyeon soup base. Sometimes you might want to add a little bit less than the whole packet. I'm going to save a little bit because I think that's the perfect amount. Some people add the whole bag. It's your ramen journey. You get to choose. Get all of that in there. Inside our ramen bag is yachae, little vegetable flakes. I like to rattle it off to the one side, open the package, and then into the 냄비. 냄비에 집어넣고 이제 끓이고 있습니다. And according to the instructions, we should cook this for 4.5 minutes. 4분 반. 4분 반을 끓이고 그러면은 it's ready to eat. Do you want to come take a closer look? 맛있겠다. 냄새도 맛있는 냄새가 나요. The smell, it smells delicious. Now that we've been patiently waiting for 3.5 minutes, it is time to add the 계란. 이제 3분 반이 지났으니까 이제 계란을 집어넣읍시다. Let's crack our egg and the egg has entered the ramyeon. Some people like to leave the egg whole and just kind of cook it, but I like to mix it up. You can add cheese, you can add other vegetables, you can add some proteins, whatever you like. And the more you experiment, and the more you try different kinds of things in your ramyeon, and different kinds of ramyeon in general, the more you will figure out what you love. 보글보글 라면 라면 보글보글 라면 라면. It's almost done. 네, 우리 친구들 라면이 다 됐습니다. I have great news, 우리 friends. The ramen is ready. Let's put some ramen into our bowl. Ooh, the anticipation is building. 너무 기대가 돼요. 와, 맛있겠다. 그리고 before we eat, 불어야 돼요. 불어야 돼요. 불어야 돼요. 불어야 돼요. You have to blow your ramen. Blow your ramen. Before you eat your ramen, do you know what you say? 잘 먹겠습니다. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다 means I will eat this well. 우리 라면 같이 먹어볼까요? Shall we try our ramen together, 우리 friends? Best ramen day ever. 너무 맛있어요. This ramen is a little bit spicy, but it's perfect. It's got that kick that really kicks that hunger away. So in Korea, when you eat ramen, it is 100% okay to slurp your noodles. I know in some cultures, like here in America and in other places, you want to eat very quietly. But when you're eating ramen, you are allowed to be loud. So let's be loud and eat ramen. Slurping noodles makes it taste better. 그렇게 훅훅 먹으면은 라면이 더 맛있어요. So you have my permission to slurp your ramen. 라면 사랑해. Let's add some kimchi. 진짜 완벽해요. It's really perfect. After you finish your ramen, what do you say? 잘 먹었습니다. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. Today, we got to finish our beautiful, spicy, delicious ramen together. And not only did we get to eat ramen, we got to learn a little bit about the history of Korean ramyeon and how to make it with a grown-up. And I hope that this ramyeon day is the first of many, 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 many ramyeon days in your life. I know for me and my other Huntrix sisters, we eat ramyeon all the time to make sure to power up to fight our demons of all sorts. If you enjoyed today's video, please like it, subscribe to the Woori Show YouTube page, and I will see you at the next Korean dish. 안녕. 안녕 친구들. 다음에 봐요.